Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, we are going to talk about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set up Wi-Fi setting, how to connect Wi-Fi network in iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi network in your iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to connect Wi-Fi network one by one, step by step. We will talk about. So before start the video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting, friends, scroll down here and open your phone network and internet setting. Open your phone Wi-Fi setting and turn on your Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. Select your Wi-Fi network and you can connect Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi network password. So friends, my password is 12345678, and you want to check your Wi-Fi password, you can check Wi-Fi password. You want to copy your Wi-Fi password, so you can copy your password. Connect option, click here. Wi-Fi network will connect in your iqoo mobile and you can use it. So friends, you want to use YouTube app, and friends, you can see Google app you want to use, Play Store app you want to use, so you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use it. So like that friends, you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use in your iqoo mobile. Again open your phone setting, open your phone Wi-Fi setting. Friends, click here setting icon, and if you click here, Wi-Fi network will disconnect. After disconnect Wi-Fi network, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network in your iqoo mobile. And again you want to use, so friends, click here connect option. Wi-Fi network will connect. And if you click here share option, friends, mobile to mobile you can use Wi-Fi. Nearby device you can use Wi-Fi network. And friends, if you click here forget option, so friends, you can check save network. There are 3 save network, and friends, if you click here forget option, your save network will remove. Now I have 2 save network. And friends, if you click here, so friends, you can check your Wi-Fi data uses. Day and month. So like that friends, you can use Wi-Fi data user setting. And friends, if you click here, so you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code in your iqoo mobile. Like that friends, you can use Wi-Fi setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you have any problem in Wi-Fi setting, friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.